Hi everyone, my name is Governor Zioku. This video you are watching right now is a recent experience we had in Ngokbala local government area of Imo State. A woman went to the farm and they buy her inside the farm. Somebody's mother, somebody's wife, somebody's grandmother was spied by Fulani herdsmen in Ngokbala, LGA area of Imo State. This woman was helpless when she saw the herdsmen destroying her crops, and this old woman opened her mouth and confronted them and asked them if what they were doing is right before God and man. But suddenly, they ended up taking her life. I would want you to watch this video that you may hear from our people and what really happened on that very day. Confusion everywhere, pressures in the village, in the communities. People are living in panics right now. And we are calling on the state government, the federal government, to kindly look into this, our leaders, to know the permanent solution to this and increase security presence in our communities. Watch.
Ala Igbo here. Yesterday, has slippers here, huh? No, ni map here. Okay. This will happen at Umewo Amala Ngokbala. Okay. And why in that Saburu? Huh? And why in that Saburu ni more here? After enough dragging. And why in that Saburu ni more here? Grab the cops, no. One Ibra was since yesterday. Honey? And why in that Saburu ni more here yesterday? And then Nama Fulani herdsmen. When I forgot to go to Kuran and keep as well. Huh? Okay, oh. No, couldn't much everywhere. I chocolate nama. Chocolate nama everywhere. Ha chocolate nama. Ha chocolate nama. On a cocoa nama should be cha on wine. I think I have Yas happy or I don't have. None, I would the woman yesterday. A chocolate nama everywhere. As you can see. I bring out to Umewo Ishato in Amala Tramas community in Ngokbala, Imo State. One Ibra since yesterday. As you can see, when I just over here, leave with everything that I hear. And may God help also. Some government of Nigeria will have the money to touch it.